Can guided wave radars be mounted horizontally and still function correctly? In this demonstration, the transmitter is mounted horizontally through a nozzle. Due to the nozzle, it's common that blocking distance is deployed so that false echoes are not measured. Notice how the readout on the transmitter remains constant, even though the process environment is continually changing. In this demonstration, all of the dampening and filtering have been turned off on the transmitter, so we can see an instant, true reaction to what's happening during the process. ABB's LWT series guided wave radars are impervious to extreme process environments. Contact your local ABB representative today.